Hello all, my name is Sid. Today we're going to go through the walkthrough of some of these challenges from SQLi Lab. When you get access to SQLi Lab, we will provide you with a VPN access. So after you have connected to the VPN, like I am here now, you can access these URLs. So we're going to start with challenge 1 today. So this is the URL for challenge 1. If you open it up in your browser, let's just do it again. Now this is how it looks like. Now this is a basic challenge. For each question, we have the difficulty level specified. Now this is a fairly easy challenge. Just to give you a little background on how SQL queries looks like. Typically, this SQL statement is something like select star from users where username is equal to, and your input goes here, and password is equal to say input 2. So if you enter a username of say test, let's just put this in red to highlight that this is your input, and say if your password was secret, then the query which is executed is select star from users where username is equal to test and password is equal to secret. Now if the input is not sanitized, you can inject or 1 equal to 1 in both the fields. So if you do that, then you will find that you will be able to terminate the string definition which the application was putting in, and you are able to close the string definition and inject an OR clause. So this, if I just change this back to red, so the one in red is the one which we've entered, the one in black is the one coming from the application. So the bit in red is our input. Now the query becomes select star from users where username is equal to null. That's an open quote and a closed quote. So that makes null, or 1 equal to 1. Now the right hand side of the OR query is always true. Similarly, in the password field, password is equal to null, which is false, but the right hand side of this OR is true. So this will essentially mean that we will short circuit the entire logic of the query and all the rows will be returned. So let's try to inject this input in both the fields. This password is exactly the same as the username which I have entered here, and when I do that, you will see that I am now logged in, and this is the flag which you are asked to capture. That finishes the challenge 1. We will be back with challenge 2.